situation where a food critic came in, and the water glass just basically jumps off the tray onto the critic.
Oh, jeez.
Yep. For all people, of course, it's still on him. He actually did his review on the radio later on. Said that he still put a picture of water on him. So that's not really the publicity you want to get out of the marketplace.
What are you hoping we can do for you guys?
Well, I hope we can solve the problem and most importantly, make it a safe environment. Restaurants in generally are a fairly dangerous environment. We've got hot grills, we've got knives, we've got glass everywhere. It concerns me that it could get even worse.
There's a dead guy wandering around. It looks like to me like he's wearing a jester's outfit, but fancier. He's saying it's a fun madhouse, this place. I feel like this guy, he runs this place. This is his.
Do you know how he might interact with it?
He would be able to influence perceptual experiences, manipulating them to see things or hear things.
Do you know what sort of things he might make people see and hear?
Things that would
Tonight we're drawing Meganeura.
That's what really makes him tick. If he can embarrass or humiliate someone, he's going to do it.
Prehistoric Carboniferous era dragonfly.
I wanted to see what the employees have to say.
A lot of times I'll be doing something in here and I'll feel somebody behind me and I'll turn around and nothing will be there.
And each one of them had an experience more intense than the last.
I came in at 8 a.m. and the first we hit was oceans and everything was throwing on the ground everywhere.
Who's the last person here? I saw a tall figure in the
The wings on this
When I was trying to go up the stairs,
dragonfly are
I
ginormous.
let go of my left hand. Every time it felt like something was pushing my hand away from the handrail and I would trip on the first step.
But what's got me the most concerned is the violence. This does not seem to be a safe place to work.
Well, I was on the landing on the stairs and I heard someone behind me and then I fell down the stairs. I was scared and I was embarrassed and I just got out of there. This Jester dude, he's making himself extremely physically present. This is something that the living would experience, like physically hurting people. Something as simple as pulling a chair out from under somebody.
Now you just gotta draw these lines under the wings.